Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to log out of Reddit. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Reddit website. Ensure that you are currently logged into your Reddit account. In the top right corner of the Reddit homepage, you will find username. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on the logout. It will log you out of your Reddit account. So that's it. Locate and click on the logout. This action will log you out of your Reddit account. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.